Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Jasmine, owner of Handcrafted from Home, and we do so many fun things over here: DIYs, thrift flips, thrift hauls, shopping, and making over this entire rental space. So I would love if you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you know every single time I upload, because I am so excited to be a part of this awesome collaboration with some of my great friends. I've got Bree from Upcycled by Bree, we've got Jesse from Urban Legends Antiques, and we have Melissa from Brave Home Staging and Vintage Bee Designs. Not only did Melissa pick my name because we are doing a thrift flip challenge, we each went to the thrift store, picked out something for whoever's name we drew, and shipped it to them, and none of us knew what we were getting until we got into the box. So we're about to do that now. Melissa also sent me some awesome transfers. I've never tried the decor transfers from Prima. They're the redesign transfers, and I will have a link for this down below, and you can check out her website. I would love for you to go over there and support her. Without further ado, let's open this box. Let's see what thrift trip Melissa had, and let's get to DIYing because I'm so nervous, but I'm so excited.
So I am here at the Goodwill, and I'm gonna run in and see what I can find for Jasmine. It is blue today. Okay, hands down, this is always my favorite aisle. Let's see. I'm always looking for jewelry boxes. Let's see what condition this one's in. Okay, let's see. These are pretty cute, little candle holders. What are these down here? Can't make this too easy. Okay, so I'm not sure that that I just came in here for Jazz's item. I seem to have a full buggy. I hope Jazz enjoys, and I'm gonna have fun with the rest of this because I got a couple really great boxes in here. You cannot see Jazz's item from this vantage point, so I hope she has fun.
First, let's get into these transfers. Gives you directions on the back. I've used IOD, but I cannot wait to use these.
Oh my goodness.
I love birds. Look at the birds. Do you see? So cool. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a big thing. Oh my gosh, a little organizer. What is this? It's like a little desk organizer. That can go back there. Okay, this one I really don't know. So what I do first when I decide on using some transfers, I just go through and kind of lay things out and see what I like. And I wasn't sure if I'd use the branches, but that's actually what I think I'm going to do. I'm starting off with cotton from Long Legacy Paint. I have a 20% off discount for you all down below if you all want to try it out. It's a really smooth finishing paint. It's a chalk style paint, and it's just really great. You can tell that the coverage is better on the second coat, but you can also build up texture with it, and I absolutely love it. The two-tone look is huge right now, and what I'm doing is taking my spatula and going right over and scraping it, and then if I got too much, just add a little bit more paint on there. It's no thing, and just continue going back and forth. Then you want to take your sander, or you can take a cloth, wet cloth, and wet distress. I just wanted this to look old and ragged because that's my jam.
I really wanna know if I never figure out.
The awesome thing about transfers is you can still cut them up even more. You don't have to use the design exactly as it is, and I wanted the branches to be going all the way up each one of these pockets, and it ended up working out pretty good. I almost messed up, but I got it figured out. And this is just such a cottagey country look, and it is perfect for CottageCore decor. And like I said, that two-tone look is in right now, so I knew I wanted to use this. Look at the sweet eggs in the nest. Oh, I'm just in love with these transfers. I know transfers can seem intimidating, but I promise if I can do it, you can do it. Before the next project, let's look at a little sneak peek of me shopping for Jessie. I picked Jessie's name, so please make sure to go over to her channel. I got a bunch of things for me, but a couple of these things in here I got for her. She is awesome, and I would love for you to check her out along with all the other ladies in this collab. Alright y'all, let's get on to the second piece. I'm using Robin Egg from Long Legacy Paint. This is such a beautiful color. Great for spring, cottagey, farmhouse, vintage pieces. I absolutely love this color and I haven't used it enough. I just gave it a good 2 coats. You can see here that the second coat really does add that extra coverage. And then I'm going to go in and distress it some just like I did the other piece before adding on the beautiful transfer. This piece, Be the Light, is what I wanted to use. I'm really big on positive affirmations and, you know, creating your own reality. So this alone spoke to me, and it's just a beautiful transfer.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
Okay, so sometimes you might need to check and look and see if your transfer is sticking. If not, lay that plastic sheet back down and just use whatever tool you're using to adhere it to your surface. You can also go around edges really easily and corners, and it'll adhere right to any surface just about. And I'm in love with them. Remember, the link for this specific transfer will be down in the description box below, and check out what Melissa has. Also, I'm going to go in with some clear wax. Sometimes I do white wax and black wax, but I wanted to do really simple projects for you all today. These are so easy. I promise if I can do them, you can do them. It's one paint color and a transfer, and you can add in some distressing if you like, but if not, don't worry about it.
Faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow smoke through my cigarette.
I really have liked using chip brushes right now, but if you can invest in a really nice wax brush, that's a good idea too. And I wipe it back with either a lint-free rag or a paper towel, depending on what I have on hand. When you watch my videos, you'll see I love texture and I use different colored waxes and different techniques. But today, I just wanted to keep it sweet and simple. Let's see what we got. Alright you all, that wraps up today's video. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. We have so much fun over here, and we're doing some more makeovers and DIYs, and next video will be a DIY craft stash organization video, so I really hope that you will stick around, and please make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this playlist and subscribe and ring the bell for my other friends as well. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. We're on the road to 1,000, so we are so close. Our community is growing, and I have the best community out there on YouTube. I just know it. Remember, you are amazing. Stay positive, uplift others, and be true to yourself, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
I've been dancing on my own, so break